Hey guys, welcome back to Sunny Days. This is yet another video. I know I've taken a break from making videos for quite some time because there's been a lockdown here. I thought I'll be more productive. I thought I'll make more videos. I thought I'll bring more content to you, but I just kind of didn't feel like myself. So yeah, this past couple of weeks, actually this last 1 week has been kind of very dull and boring and monotonous. Staying at home, not being able to do anything, you just lack the motivation and just the interest to even get out of your bed. So that's what staying between four walls can do to you sometimes. But let's not worry about that. Let's just talk about the content today we have at our hand. Today I'm going to be reacting to this famous Italian TikToker by the name of Cabby Lame. He makes amazing TikTok. He makes all his videos are actually very viral, and it's trending on TikTok and YouTube and all social media platforms of late. You might have heard of him. He is this black Italian guy who breaks the myth on few 5-minute crafts or few simple techniques suggested by various people. More amazing than his amazingly hilarious reactions or his solutions, it brings out the people who came up with the complicated solutions to, or complicated techniques, or methods, which is very absurd. I don't know if that's the right word, but yeah, so let's check out today's video without any further delay and let's enjoy it. Yeah, take care, peace. Okay, this is a compilation video by a channel. I haven't checked it out yet, so this will be my first time watching it with you guys and reacting to it. So hopefully get some natural reactions and some great laughs and some great commentary and talk conversations along the way. So yeah, let's get right into the video. Okay, maybe that's still useful for fat people. I'm not saying no to that. I actually never knew what is the use of this. Oh. I always eat pizza, but I never knew what that is for. Just check out his face. It actually, there's not much expression or anything on it, but that expression itself speaks everything about what what the other videos suggest. Those techniques that they present to you, and the simple solution that he has, like, dumbfounded by their methods. It's pretty hilarious. What is they making a juice? Oh no, it's to cut it. Okay. Okay, it's a metal can opener. But why are they using that to open a soda bottle? Cabby will tell you. Yeah. Oh yeah, has to be one of the dumbest ones. That's what happens if you take internet literally and too seriously. And this guy is there to break the myth. Prill Scotch Brite. There you go. Oh, how do you take this one out? Okay, that comes off, right? But how did they get that in the first place? Correct, no? This. This is actually not bad, huh? That's actually not bad. Yeah, I know you can do it this way too, but that is more convenient. I mean, that's more easy. That's actually not bad. Can't charge your phone. Okay. Okay. Ah. Come on, seriously. Oh god. See, more than watching all this, what you actually wonder is how come these videos are actually there? Like, how come somebody suggested those solutions or those methods to actually to follow? Oh, and people actually subscribe to them. Nobody has heard of them. No wonder. Okay, you get a fork. You put a tape on it. Hey, plastic. That's what I like. His hand. What? Oh god. They could have just broken it. Why did they have to put the wire through the it and all? Yeah, just remove it. Okay, this is a genius cutting bananas. Slicing, should I say? No, is removing the peel. Come on. Way to make simple things harder in life. Oh, I was always peeling it from the other end. Damn. Why the... Come on. Why do you have to dress up to look so stupid? Okay. What's wrong? Why is he breaking it? He put a tape. Genius. You know, one of the best things is the Morpheus cooling glasses. You guys have all watched The Matrix, right? You know, you can just fix it to your nose, and it is there. It has no that thing. Amazing. I was always a fan of that. Though none of the cooling glasses suit me. Amazing. Ulta, and then put it. Yeah, why do you have to put something else on top, tape it and drink it? Come on, man, people. I can't even believe there are such people who make such videos just to make videos, you know. Come on. Yes. Oh, it's done. This dude, this kid is actually 21-year-old, and his net worth apparently is between 1 million to 2 million dollars, and he's one of the few black Italians. I don't think I've come across many black Italians or black Chinese people. I don't think I've come across or heard of even one Chinese guy who's actually black. So yeah, this is Cabby, and I think he's pretty hilarious. Go subscribe to his channel, his Instagram, he's all over social media, so it won't be difficult to actually find him. So yeah, please show some love to my channel also. At least I can make 1 or 2 rupees from this, if not 1 million or 2 million. Yeah, please like, share and subscribe. See ya. Bye bye.